In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-collections on Shopify. We'll walk through this together from inside your Shopify admin, so go ahead and log into your store. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and your online store setup. First, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all your items live. Under Products, you'll see an option called Collections. Click on Collections to manage how your products are grouped and displayed to customers. On the Collections page, we're going to start by creating the sub-collection itself. Click on Add Collection. You'll be taken to a new page where you can define what this collection is about. In the title field, type in a clear, specific name for your collection, like men's shoes or summer dresses. In the description area, add a short explanation of what customers will find here. This helps with both clarity and search engine optimization. Next, scroll down to the Products section and click on Browse. A list of your products will appear. Click on each product you'd like to include in the sub-collection. When you're done selecting, click Add to attach them to the collection. Once everything looks good, go to the top or bottom of the page and click Save to create the collection. Now that the collection is created, we'll set it up as a sub-collection using a menu. From the Shopify admin, find and click on Content in the left-hand menu. Inside Content, select Menus. This is where you control the navigation structure for your store. Click on Create Menu. Give your new menu a name that makes sense for how you'll use these collections. For example, Shop by Category. Then click on Add Menu Item. In the name field, type the name of your main collection, which will act as the parent. Click in the link field, choose Collections, and then select that main collection from the list. Next, add the sub-collection. Click Add Menu Item again. This time, type the name of the sub-collection you just created. Click in the link field, choose Collections, and select that new sub-collection. When both items are added, click Save. To make the sub-collection nest under the main one, click and drag the sub-collection menu item so it sits just under the main collection and slightly indented to the right. This indentation tells Shopify it's a child item. Once it's positioned correctly, click Save again. Your sub-collection is now created and nested under the main collection